Unlocking clarity in communication. Send a clear signal, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's quite popular in both casual and professional English. Send a clear signal. Understanding this phrase can greatly improve your ability to express intentions or observations effectively. So, let's break it down together and explore how you can use it in your daily conversations and writings. Send a clear signal is a metaphorical expression that originates from the idea of transmitting a message without any interference. Just like a radio station broadcasting a signal without any static, when someone sends a clear signal, they are communicating their thoughts, intentions, or feelings in a way that is easy to understand, leaving no room for confusion or misinterpretation. Using "send a clear signal" in your communication means being direct, straightforward, and unambiguous. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. In personal relationships, he sent a clear signal that he was interested in her by asking her out for dinner. In professional settings, the company sent a clear signal to the market about their commitment to sustainability by launching a new eco-friendly product line. In politics or diplomacy, the government sent a clear signal of its stance on the issue by passing the new legislation. These examples show that whether we're talking about personal interest, business strategies, or political positions, sending a clear signal is all about making your position or feelings known in a way that cannot be misunderstood. Sending clear signals is crucial because it ensures that your message is received and understood exactly as you intended. It helps to avoid misunderstandings. By being clear, you minimize the risk of misinterpretation. Build trust. Clear communication shows that you are transparent and honest, which can strengthen relationships. Facilitate decision-making. In business or any form of negotiation, clarity allows others to make informed decisions based on your stated position or intentions. We hope this video helps you understand the importance and usage of the phrase, "send a clear signal." Remember, clear communication is the key to effective interactions. Whether you're chatting with friends, negotiating in a business meeting, or crafting your next social media post, keeping your signals clear can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video, and keep sending those clear signals.